Hi everyone, today I will be making grass jelly dessert and grass jelly drink. This drink or dessert is very popular in Asia. It is best to serve in hot weather or in the summer. To have a better taste, we usually mix it with butterfly pea flower tea or the milk. For those who don't like milk or you cannot have milk, you can use soy milk instead and you can put some sugar syrup. So, let's get started. First thing that we have to do is to make sugar syrup. Turn on to the medium heat. Pour the water in. You can add more or less as you like. And bring it to a boil. When the water is boiling, please put the rock sugar. But if you don't have it, you can use regular white sugar. And stir to dissolve it. When the sugar is completely dissolved, you have to continue stirring it for another 5 minutes so that we will have a good taste of syrup. Now the sugar syrup is done, so let's start making grass jelly. There are many kinds of grass jelly that are imported from different countries. The one I am using is imported from China. You also can use another brand of grass jelly powder. So, in this video, I will use 100 grams of grass jelly powder. To mix it with the water, please read the instruction on the package. Here are the other ingredients we have to prepare before making grass jelly dessert or drink. We have some butterfly pea flower tea, 600 ml water, and milk, or you can use another kind of milk, is okay too. Now let's make grass jelly together. First, we have to boil 600 ml water. When the water is boiling, please put the grass jelly powder in and stir it well. And don't forget to lower down the heat. Keep stirring until the powder is completely dissolved in the water. When the texture is getting thick, please turn off the heat and transfer it into the mold. If there are some bubbles, please remove it. And then let it sit in room temperature, or you can put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And now, let's move to another step. We are going to make butterfly pea flower tea, so we need a very hot water and we will put that flowers in. We will use this tea to make the drink. But if you cannot finish it at a time, you can keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. In this video, I use 1 liter of water and 10 grams of butterfly pea flowers. A little while, the water will turn to purple. It looks so beautiful. Grass jelly is ready, so you can slice it or you can cut it into a side bite. The texture is very good. It's so soft. That's why I like the powder from China. It's exactly elastic. So let's slice it for the dessert. And cut it into smaller pieces for the drink. If you have another way to cut it, please do it. It's okay too. Now we have prepared everything. It's time to make the drink and dessert. The last ingredient that we cannot miss it is ice. First, I will show you how to make the grass jelly drink. Put 3 to 4 tablespoons grass jelly into the glass. Fill in the ice. For those who love grass jelly, you can add more on the top of ice. Pour the milk or soy milk. Then pure butterfly pea flower tea that we have prepared earlier in. Lastly, pour in the sugar syrup. Please add more if you like a sweeter drink. It tastes so good. Now let's make grass jelly dessert. This time we will use coconut milk instead of milk. Okay, let's make it together. First, we have to pour in the coconut milk. And then add sugar syrup that we have prepared in the beginning. Lastly, topping with ice. Now our dessert is done, so you are ready to enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to get more recipes. Have a nice day. Bye.